EJK nila, anong lumabas? Gumawa sila ng bill against EJK. Hindi nila naintindihan. Lahat ng killing ay EJK basta hindi in-order ng court. Dinefine mo yung EJK, nakakatawa ka. Sinabi mo pag government official, ay dapat life imprisonment kung EJK. Nasa batas na eh. Pagka ikaw ay public official, ikaw ay nagpapatay, qualified na. Life imprisonment na. Sinasabi nila pag may reward system, life imprisonment, price, reward, or promise qualifies a killing to murder. Life imprisonment na yon even without that bill. See? Nagsayang sila. Pinakain pa kami ng katakot-takot na Jollibee ron. Wala naman nangyari. Ang batas mo, kamote. Kakatawa yung batas na yun. Bisahin nyo. There is nothing in that bill. Hindi pa pala batas. There's nothing in that bill that does not already exist in our system of laws. Wala. Kasi nga, sa Google nag-aral ng batas. Yan ang sinasabi ko. They cannot keep abusing this. Someone has to stand up. Inutil ang Integrated Bar of the Philippines, ayaw kumilos. Yung Integrated Bar, naging old boys club na yan, party-party. At nag-recommenda para sa judiciary. Ay nako. Ilang beses na nasisita ng Supreme Court yan for unethical conduct. The latest is yung nanlibre, yung law firm ni Attorney Divina. Oo, ng junket ng mga opisyal ng IBP abroad at saka dito sa Balisin. Sinabi ng Supreme Court, mali yan. Noong 1980s, yung asawa ni Drilon, si Violeta, lalaban ng IBP President, ginamit ni Drilon yung facilities of his office. He was then Justice Secretary. Para ma-elect yung asawa niya, in-invalidate. Yun ang nangyari sa IBP. It has degenerated into a social club. Dapat yung IBP ang unang-unang mag-take ng stand sa violation na ito.